All right, so welcome back. Welcome back to this channel. So, in the last video, we have discussed this paper, communicative agents software development. In this video, we are going to try to use it. We'll decide what application, what problem we have to give it. So basically, the introduction. I'm going to introduce you. If you have not watched the last video, I would definitely highly recommend you to watch it, because I mean maybe it will be a little informative to you. So, but in this video. So again, what is chat dev? So in this paper has proposed a model called chat dev, in which they will use several language models. Right, we have many language models which are able to perform many amazing tasks. For example, ChatGPT and Llama and Palm 2 and the many other models which are performing very good in this field. So we'll use all of these language models in a collective manner, right? And then we use these language models in a collective manner, and we will be developing a company like thing. We're developing an AI company that will completely do a software development task. Given a task, any task related to software development, the AI is able to perform that task. It is able to divide the task into four sections: designing task, uh, writing the code, documenting, and no, it's yeah, designing, coding, and yeah, something like that. Yeah, probably documenting, yeah, testing and documenting. So these four steps will be carried out by the models. So they'll segregate uh, models. So we have some programming models, the some that will coders. We'll have some coders. We'll have some CEOs. We'll have CTO. We'll have we'll give roles. We'll give a specific role for each of the language model, and I think we'll just use ChatGPT here, OpenAI. I think in this project they'll use OpenAI. So we'll have this connection of language models, and these language models interact with each other and find out solutions to solve that output problem, which is building us any software. They can build any type of software, and I was actually pretty astounded. So last video I was pretty amazed by this level of performance. So you could complete so that entire completion of software development in this scenario takes only 7 minutes and a cost less than $1, right? Rather than hiring a lot of developers, maybe in the future, who knows, 2 years or 3 years, maybe the field of software development will be completely automated. Web development will be very easy. Programming, everything. Maybe research, maybe some fields like blockchain and quantum computing, and maybe AI. Yeah, definitely AI, machine learning, deep learning, uh, and quantum computing, blockchain, and maybe something like that. Maybe cloud development, maybe something that cannot be automated just now, because the new fields will not be automated by AI. I think that's a hint. I think I gave it, because I mean, I think AI is completely dependent on data, the previous data, and we have a lot of code related to web development, software development in general. But there are some fields which cannot be automated currently, because there is no lot of data. So choose the uh, less chosen path, and you will get get success. And AI is very much selected, but research and deep learning is, I think, pretty quite less selected. So maybe research. I think research is going to stay. I think research is going to stay for a very long time. I think it might take some time for AI to automate research also, to be able to like generate new intuition or generate new ideas, because we humans are the ones who face human problems, and in order to solve human problems, you have to know human problems, and in order to know human problems, you must be a human. So therefore, research will definitely stay. I think that's a very good argument for saying that research is an evergreen field. Then doesn't matter AI will take it or not. So here, I have gone away from the topic, but I think I'll just try to use it. We'll just try to use this chat dev, and we'll give it a prompt, we'll give it a task, and we'll ask it to fulfill it. So let's get started. Um, so yeah, we'll just go. I think yeah, I think we have the steps in GitHub. I haven't tried it. I think I haven't tried it yet. So I'll just try it. So in order to, I think, run this, yeah. So in order to run this, you need Conda. You need to install Conda. So in order to install Conda, just go to mini Conda. Just type mini Conda and select it. Install mini Conda. So using mini Conda, you could just access Conda. Conda is nothing but Conda is just a library through which you could like do a bunch of things. So download the installer. Click on the download the installer. Uh, I have already downloaded the installer, so I will not be downloading it. So choose a suitable installer. If you are on Mac, choose you can have these options based on your computer. You could select anyone. So just yeah. So and then after installing Conda, you also should have installed GitHub in order to access the this GitHub repository. You need to have I think that's it. You need to have all these things. So first we have to clone the repository. I'll just copy it and just open your command prompt. Right. I think I'll go to my desktop to do this. I'll just go clone this repository. Uh, right after this is clone, we'll be able to see it on our desktop. I'll just go to the desktop. This is our file. After a minute, yeah, yeah. So we have all these files, which is nothing but these files. All these files are copied into my computer. Now I could run them, whatever whenever I want. So now I'll just create an environment. I'll just create an Anaconda environment. I'll just run that. Hopefully, it should create me an environment through which I'll just run all of my commands and run this chat dev file or chat dev program. Okay, so I think we should use OpenAI also. So make sure to have OpenAI API key. I'll just run this. Collecting package metadata. Yeah, so and another another one note I want to give you: when you install Codena, make sure to add it to your environment variable. Like if you are Windows, I think just go to here, just go to control panel, advanced system settings, and add it to environment variable. Add the Codena to environment variable just to make sure that it is working. I know, so that you could access it from your command prompt also. Now after opening it, I think we'll just use the next thing. I think activating Coda. Right, we'll just activate it, and then we can just run this step by step. Cd chat dev, go to this chat dev directory. I think we already did. No, no, we didn't. All right, so we have gone into the chat dev now. So I'll just run this now. Pip install requirement.x. We have a bunch of requirements that we have to run. I think we don't need pip3 here, and I think we are in Windows. So sorry. Yeah, we don't have to use pip3 here. I'll just remove that. It might take some time, but it'll install all the requirements that is needed to run this program, to run this to run this program. Yeah. We are running the software that creates software, which is kind of I think watching these models like 10 years before, like it's just amazing to see the progress from where we have been like 10 years before and now, and still many things that do not change. Yeah, I think a lot of people are not aware of this. They're not aware of the things that are coming for us. Artificial intelligence is coming, machine learning is coming. Models have like gone very very high. They have put very high benchmarks, but still, I mean, the society isn't changing. The schools aren't changing. Even I think the colleges aren't changing. The syllabus are not changing. Still, I think everyone is stuck in this, um like, I think, old traditional style of teaching and learning. I think, I think there are a lot of changes when, uh I think that is why, society should be up to date. I think even schools should be, especially schools. I think, whenever after the invention of Google, maybe in 2010, they should have stopped all this and maybe create a new thing, because Google can remember everything. You don't have to learn everything. Knowledge is all worse now, waste now. So yeah, yeah. So it is done. Requirements. Text is done. Now we have to create, input our API key. I'll just copy this. I'll paste, and we have to get our API key. So in order to get your API key, just go to OpenAI. Go to OpenAI. Right, creating safe area that benefits all of humanity. Yeah, they do create safe area. Right, so now just go to this personal thing. Click on view API keys, and you have a bunch of API keys here, and you cannot use this API key, the last API key, if you have not copied it. So in order to create a new one, just click on create new API key and create secret key. And then, you can have this, you can just copy it, right, and we just paste it here, this API key. Now we can run it. Okay, so the file, okay, we are getting error. The file name, data name, and volume name. I think this is not the right way to create an environment key. I'll just look up. Yeah, so we have to follow this. We have to follow this style, I think. I'll just copy this. I'll just paste it here. I'll still set it to open API key. Right, so we can just set it, I think, through this. I think we have to change the name of the environment, maybe. Sorry for the time. Yeah, so this is the name of the environment. I'll just copy this and we just paste it there for good reasons. Sorry. Oh, okay. Right. So, yeah. Right. So I'll just change this. I have to change this. Oh, command prompt is actually very hard to control. Oh, shit. Sorry. And I think I'm very slow. Just delete everything. Copy. Set open a OpenAI API key equals. I'll just select all of this. Paste it here. Change this to the actual environment. Okay. Um. Okay. right? I'll just change the this to the actual environment. I should do that. I'll just go here. I think I can just run it maybe. I don't have to set it because we are already in that environment. So yeah, yeah, we have to reactivate it. In order to reactivate it, we have to do cone activate the environment. Name of the environment. I'll just copy this. I'll paste it here. The name of the environment is check chat def conda environment. Yeah, we have activated it, and finally we have set our API key after a long hard work. I think by my side. So I'll just copy this now. I'll paste it here. And we are ready to run, right? We are ready to run it. Yeah, we have to now give the provide the description of the idea, right? Let's see what we'll select. So as this is our first time to run this, I think amazing program, we'll just select something maybe normal, maybe something like how about tic tac toe, right? We could do tic tac toe now. So yeah, we have so the basically we will ask our intelligent and intelligent chat dev, intelligent program to generate uh, let's say a Python code for creating the tic-tac-toe game. So this model will automatically generate us the code, the complete software in order to run create this app of tic-tac-toe. So I'll just create it. I'll just give I'll just provide the description. I'll just say write me a say program in which the user can play the game of tic tac toe with the computer, where the computer plays in random. So I'll just provide with a random prompt and the name. I can provide with any name. So I'll just provide whatever name you want. Right, I'll provide name like that. And now we are ready to run it. So let's hope for the best and I'll click run. Yeah, so we are using like GPT 3.5 and whoa, we already have like like, I think a intelligent conversation between intelligent models, language models. So let's read it, right? The CEO starts a chat. Chat with a software company provide multiple intelligent agents such as CEO, Chief Human Resource Officer, Chief Product Officer, Chief Technological Officer, etc. with multi-agent organized structure. Right. Okay, so we got an error. Okay, don't worry. We'll just uh, look at there in just a minute. But first, let's read the description. Uh, you said a collaborator successfully complete a task assigned by a new customer. You are responsible for all product related matters. Chat dev usually includes product design, product strategy, product vision, product innovation, product management, product marketing. Here is a new customer task. Write me a program. Okay. To complete the task, you must write a response that appropriately solves the requested instruction based on your expertise and customers' needs. Startup has made products in the following before. Okay, image. Yeah, so let's get the previous works. It is I it's already it's already making us yeah. So it is already like giving us I think a pitch for us why we should use it only. So to satisfy the need and why the product should be reliable and should okay. And there's just some prompt. And now we got an error. Um, what is error? Oh, I think it's from OpenAI. Yeah, so I have been getting this problem from OpenAI, I think, for a long time. You exceeded your current quota. Please check your plan and billing details. Um, I think it's from OpenAI. Yeah, I don't think but I only use like two keys. I don't think. I think we could use a lot more. I have only used two keys, but let's search it in Google. Let's see if there is anything. I think I've already got this error once. I think while working with like Langchair or something. I think I was building some application, but I've already got this error. So let's see what this mean by okay that have hit your maximum monthly spend hard limit. Consume all the credits and units, look at radio plan and had releases minimum billing second. This would have happened for several instances. You are using a high volume of complex service that consumes a lot of credits or units per request. You are using a large or diverse data set. Okay. I don't think we have been eligible for any of these three conditions. I don't think we have fell into them, but I don't think why. I think I'll just open it. Let's see how many limit we have. Yeah, I think maybe we should pay. Maybe we should pay for the key. Basically, fact, and upgrade to a pay as you go plan that offers higher quota. If you need a quota increase, you apply for one here. Yeah. Maybe I'll try to pay for it. Yeah, we should set a request, and I think it will be a very tedious task and might take a lot of time. So I think this that's it for this video. I think that's it for this video. And probably for the next video, I think I have a holiday tomorrow. I think I know we have a band here in Andhra Pradesh, so India. So I think we have holiday tomorrow, which is actually quite rare because I'm studying in like class 10 and they're putting a lot of restrictions. So therefore, I think tomorrow I'll make another video. We'll try to solve this problem together. Uh, so that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.